If you see someone on the road taking out 2 earbuds from a mini earphone, don't be surprised. And these are the newly released noise-cancelling headphones from China. They're ready to the earphone key. My Buds Air7, I am tech enthusiast mate, and since many people are urging for more updates, we will quickly do an unboxing and initial review. Later, I will also do a detailed review and compare it with its counterpart Oppo X3. If you're interested, feel free to follow. Let's get straight to the conclusion. The noise cancellation of these earbuds is top-notch. The transparency is also quite excellent. The sound quality is good, but the call quality is average, though we'll skip the unboxing. Our product at 1990 yuan is okay, but for the one priced as high as 270 yuan still using such cheap packaging, I feel it's a bit unacceptable. I have to give a low rating for this, as it's ultimately about being affordable for the masses. But let's focus on the products. The earphones have a twisting and turning appearance, which I personally don't quite like, but in terms of texture and details, all done quite well. Opening the lid feels a bit average, but taking out and wearing the earphones is pretty good. That part is commendable. There is an issue with these earphones, which is that the workmanship of the contact points is somewhat mediocre, slightly lowering its value. As for photography, I still have to give it a good review. Today I took it to do a comparison test with the Oppo X3, which is more than 3 times more expensive, while eating spicy hot pot by the national residents. Honestly, there was almost no difference. However, I have not tested in other scenarios yet, and I will provide an accurate conclusion later. In summary, the overall quality of this product is completely fine, and the latency is well controlled, making it a reliable purchase. That's it for this simple unboxing. Bye bye, see you next time.